Looking for an immersion blender without spending a fortune? Well, I do all the research, so you don't have to. Here are the 5 best immersion blenders under $110 ranked. Number 5 is the Bonson Kitchen Hand Blender. This blender is an amazing $14 and a fantastic budget pick, with a 300-watt motor that blends soups and smoothies. The main downside is that it's just a blending shaft with no whisk or chopper. Coming in at number 4 is the Muller Living Ultra Stick Blender. This is our most reviewed pick with over 52,000 reviews, and it's a full set with a whisk and frother. All this power and versatility can be yours for just $33. Our number 3 pick is the Cuisinart Smart Stick Hand Blender. For just $41, you get quiet but powerful blending in seconds, and it comes with a chopper, whisk, and cup. Plus, it's a trusted Cuisinart product with a 3-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Braun MultiQuick 7 Immersion Blender. This is Braun, the #1 hand blender brand, featuring active blade tech for smooth, splash-free results. It also includes a food processor attachment, though it is our priciest pick at $109. And our top pick, number 1, is the KitchenAid Variable Speed Hand Blender. This is our highest rated pick at 4.7 stars, offering smooth variable speed control and a pan guard that protects your cookware. All these amazing features for only $69. So there you have it, our top 5 immersion blenders, with the KitchenAid Variable Speed Hand Blender taking our top spot. Links to all 5 are in the description. Thanks for watching.